Okay, Queensland Forest. Back on the trail. Now my apologies if the video's bad, but the footing out here, it's a little sketchy. I guess we go under this waterfall.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
God, look at that valley. That's why they said you can start at the picnic area or the canyon overlook, because they're both in the same area. But I'm glad we started at the overlook.
Yeah, that's a nice view.
It just sounded better than the picnic area. So here's the water that comes out. Flows down there, and that's the waterfall we took a picture of.